Hello everybody, my name is Maiada. I'm working with Food Friendly Club. We're going to do today falafel, Syrian falafel. It's vegan, vegetarian. We're going to go through it step by step and make it easy for you to follow me up. And I hope you will enjoy it, enjoy cooking with me today. First step to the falafel, we're going to soak the chickpeas like this. When you soak it overnight, it will come like that. You can get from the shop mixed spices for falafel. You just put 2 tablespoons to the half a kilo of chickpeas. After I wash the spring onion, just chop them roughly because I need to put them in the machine to cut them. Yeah, make them ready. The big onion. After when we mix them and they're very fine, we add now the spices. Teaspoon ginger, teaspoon cinnamon, tablespoon of cumin, teaspoon of nutmeg. I give it just nice flavor. You cannot add it if you don't like it. It's not necessarily, but I like to put it in my falafel. And tablespoon of coriander, and a little bit of black pepper. Salt. I think we need about half tablespoon of salt because we don't need to make it salty. And we mix it. I'm going to use my hand. I wash my hand. Make sure you wash your hand before you touch anything, especially with the COVID-19 at the moment. When you mix it, just before frying, you add the baking powder. 2 tablespoons should be enough. Now we need to fry the falafel in deep fryer oil. We put it. You should be careful, and this stage the children can't be near to the cooker and near to the oil. Just put it and leave it to warm up for us to fry the falafel. I'm going to bring plate with the tissue. We put the falafel when we fry it on the tissue to soak all the oil from it. Put the sesame seed in the bowl. You can add them to the mixture and they come very nice. Actually, I'm going to add some of them to give it extra flavor. And in another bowl, I'm going to put a little bit of sumac, it just give it flavor. This is the mixed falafel. It's good because it has all the spices, everything. Just you put it in a bowl, little bit of water, mix them and leave them just to soak for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes. And if you get like this box, you will have a little machine for the falafel to look nicer. Our oil is hot ready. You should be careful. I'm going to use this one, or you can use a spoon or your hand. Everything will work. This one, as I said, you can find it in any shop in Sham Minister, halal shop. Do it like this.